everybody should be making love. You know what I'm saying? Come on.
Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things that make me. Let's talk about sex. Let's talk about sex. Let's talk about sex. Let's talk about sex.
Let's talk about sex for now. To the people at
Say yo, Sean Kingston.
you're way too beautiful, girl. That's why it'll never work. You have me suicidal when you say it's over.